In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Track123 to Shopify. We'll walk through the process from inside your Shopify admin, so make sure you're already logged into your store before you start following along. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin homepage where you manage products, orders, apps, and settings. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page for the search bar. This search feature is really handy because it lets you quickly jump to different areas of your store without clicking through multiple menus, and that's what we're going to use. Click on the search bar, then type apps. When apps appears in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your apps section where you can see all the apps you already have installed, as well as recommendations from Shopify. On this apps page, find and click on all recommended apps. This opens up a broader view of what Shopify suggests for your store, and from here, you'll see an option to visit the Shopify App Store. Click on Shopify App Store to open it. It might open in a new tab depending on your browser. Once you're in the Shopify App Store, look for the search bar at the top. Click into it and type Track123 Order Tracking. This is the full name of the app we want. You should see Track123 appear in the search results. Click on it to open the app's page where you can read a description, view features, and check reviews if you'd like. On the app page, click the Install button. Shopify will then redirect you back to your store's admin to confirm the installation. You'll see a permission screen explaining what the app can access. Review that, and when you're ready, click Install again to finalize adding Track123 to your store. After installation, Track123 will launch a setup or onboarding process. Take your time here and click through the setup steps carefully, providing accurate information about your store, your shipping carriers, and how you want tracking to work for your customers. The better you complete this, the smoother your tracking experience will be later. Next, you'll be prompted to select a plan. Choose the plan that best fits your order volume and budget. Some stores start with a free or lower tier plan and upgrade as they grow, so pick whatever makes the most sense for you right now. Once your plan is selected, look at the left-hand column in your Shopify admin. Under the Apps section, you'll now see Track123 listed there. Click on Track123 to open its dashboard. This is where you can configure all the app settings, customize tracking pages, and manage how tracking information